And now estimated terminal value or scrap value or salvage value. So when the life of an asset is over, after its estimated life, that is, the asset becomes useless, it would be discarded, it would be sold off in the market. At that time, whatsoever value we get, that value is called scrap or salvage or terminal value. And this is denoted by small s. Have you understood what is a scrap, salvage, or terminal value, guys? You understood, right? Let's say here we have purchased a machinery where acquisition cost is 5,87,000. Today I purchased that, right? And I estimated its commercial life to be 5 years, right? So after 5 years, I would stop using it. And what will do I will do after that? I will sell it off. I will dispose it off. So at what value I would be selling it, that is scrap or salvage or terminal value. Am I clear? So it is the estimated value of the asset when it is estimated realized value or realizable value, when it is disposed of or discarded at the end of its commercial life. Is it clear now? For example, a furniture was purchased by a business for rupees 8 lakhs 20,000, where the estimated life of it is 8 years. It is estimated now at the time of its purchase that at the end of 8 years it would realize rupees 45,000. Here 45,000 is S. Clear? Right? Got this, Shubhi, Hunar, Aryan, Ashutosh? Have you understood this, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Note down this, guys, all. Then, guys, have you noted down this all? Here, guys, we will have during which the asset would be used by the business. Please correct this also. And guys, here we will have similar, using similar asset. If you have used similar type of asset in past, you might estimate it well, right? Done? Note it down this, right? Priyansh, do you have everything till here? You do not have, right? So note it down later. You just take a screenshot of this one. Before that, what you missed for that, I already sent the link. the video link, right? Now, guys, finally the methods of calculating depreciation. The first one is straight line method. It is also known as original cost method, also known as fixed installment method. Now, guys, in this method, the assumption is that an asset purchased by a business will accrue or will get benefit for the business equally over its entire life. So the assumption of this method is that benefits accrued to a business from a tangible fixed asset is spread over its life equally. Means whatsoever benefits a business receives from an asset, whether it is a furniture or a plant or a machinery or a building, the benefit are equal over the life of the asset. Am I clear? With this assumption, amount of annual depreciation of an asset is, so this is how guys we calculate annual amount of depreciation. C minus S upon N. What is C that we have seen earlier yesterday? That is original or acquisition cost. What is N is estimated life, and what is S is estimated scrap value. So this is how we calculate annual amount of depreciation. Now let's understand this with an example. A business purchases a plant for rupees 3,30,000, where estimated life of the plant is 6 years, at the end of which it is expected to realize rupees 18,000. Annual depreciation of the plant with SLM, that is straight line method, would be C, that is 3,30,000 minus 18,000 divided by 6. So here we have 3,12,000, 330 minus 18, divide by 6, that is 6 5s are 30, 1 6 2s are 12, 52,000. Am I clear? Now, guys, what is this 330 minus 18, or what is C minus S? C minus S is nothing but it is depreciable value of the asset. How much value we want to depreciate? The one that is going out from our pocket. So how much is going from our pocket? Initially, 3,30,000 is going out from our pocket. But at the end of its life, after 6 years, 18,000 will come back into our pocket. So what is our total cost towards that asset is 330 minus 18, that is 3,12. And this cost will give us benefits for 6 years. So for each year, the amount of benefit would be 52,000 rupees. And that is what is annual amount of depreciation. I hope guys you all have understood this. Aryan, Ashutosh, Hunar, Shubhi,
Sir.
right or not?
Yes, sir.
So note that C minus S is equal to depreciable amount of the asset, that is net cost of the asset to the purchasing business. The business who has purchased it, to it, the net cost of the asset would be C minus S. C is the initial outflow of the business, S is the terminal inflow of the business. Terminal means at the end of the term of the asset, how much business is expected to realize by selling the asset is 18,000. So the net cost to the business of that asset is C minus S, that is 3,12,000. I hope guys you all have understood this. Yes or no? वो नेट कॉस्ट है हमारी, दैट ये लिखा है नेट कॉस्ट ऑफ द एसेट टू द परचेजिंग बिजनेस. हमें नेट कितना कॉस्ट पड़ा? 330 अभी हमने पे किया. 6 साल बाद कितना आने की उम्मीद है? 18,000. तो हमारी जैसे नेट कॉस्ट कितनी लग रही है? 3,12,000. राइट. Now guys, next thing, if you have understood this, Shubhi, have you got this? Shubhi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing, guys, is annual rate of depreciation. And that is annual depreciation. Annual depreciation means, guys, what? When I say annual depreciation means, it is for 12 months. If you are using an asset in a year for 12 months, then for those 12 months, the amount of expense of your business towards that asset is 52,000. That expense is actually depreciation. But that depreciation is for how many months? For 12 months. Am I clear? So this is how guys we calculate annual rate of depreciation, that is annual depreciation divided by C into 100. So in this example, annual depreciation is 52,000 divided by C, that is 3,30,000 into 100, that is 15.75%. Guys, in many questions of depreciation, numerical questions, you would be given this rate. So this rate you have to apply on C of the asset to calculate annual amount of depreciation. What are you doing, Priyansh? Are you not with us? Have you understood this? So annual rate of depreciation is applied on C to know annual amount of depreciation when it is not given. So sometimes annual amount of depreciation would not be given to you, or C, S and N would not be given to you. If you do not know C, S and N or any of these, you cannot calculate this. In that case, you would be given annual rate of depreciation which you have to apply on C to determine annual amount of depreciation. So if I apply 15.75% on this, I will get 52,000. Am I clear? Guys, please understand all these things very minutely because we have to do many questions on this chapter and questions are not easy. I hope you all have understood this, guys. Annual depreciation means depreciation for a period of 12 months. However, if an asset is used by a business in an accounting year for lesser than 12 months, depreciation on the asset would be charged proportionately for the months of its usage. Right? Example 2. A business purchased a building for rupees 80 lakhs. Okay, make it a machinery for rupees 8 lakhs and spent rupees 1,20,000 on its installation, testing, and other charges before it was used very first time by the business for commercial purpose. And this machinery was purchased by the business on 1st August 2022. The annual rate of depreciation for machineries is 25%. Calculate amount of depreciation for the accounting year 22-23. So business purchased machinery on 1st August 2022 for rupees 8 lakhs. After purchasing it, some expenses were done on the machinery for rupees 1,20,000 before it was first time used for commercial purpose. It means acquisition cost of the machinery is 8 lakhs plus 120, that is 9 lakh 20,000. right? We have not been given N estimated life nor S that is estimated scrap value. What we have been given here is annual rate of depreciation. We have to calculate depreciation for the accounting year 22-23. In the accounting year 22-23, the asset was purchased on 1st August 2022. It means it was used in that business by the business in that accounting year 22-23 for how many months? For 8 months. It was used for 8 months from 1st August 2022 till 31st March 23. We have total 8 months, right? So C here is 8 lakhs plus 1 lakh 20,000, that is 9 lakh 20,000. Period in which, during which the machinery was used by the business in accounting year 22-23 is from 1st August 2022 to 31st March 2023, that is 8 months. So amount of depreciation for accounting year 2022-23 is 9 lakh 20,000, that is C, into rate of depreciation, that is 25%, into period of depreciation, that is 8 divided by 12. Because this 25% is annual rate, right? But we are charging it for 8 months, and that is why we have to divide it by 12, because this 25% is not for 1 month, but it is for 12 months. So our depreciation here would be 9 lakh 20,000 into 25 by 100 into 8 by 12. Am I clear, guys, or not? I'm asking, right? And that would be 920, so 460, 460, and 2 lakh 30. 2 lakh 30 into 42 divided by 3, that is 1 lakh 53,333.3. This is the depreciation for 8 months of the accounting year 22-23. Am I clear? Have you got this? All those who are online.
Yes, sir.
Hunar, Aryan, Shubhi, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, guys, now you can start noting it down from here. Note down this.
अरे आंसर आ गया आंसर आ गया बोला बोला भोला भंडार है 25 25 जिस परसेंट नहीं परसेंट बोलो बोला भंडारी
In case, guys, you are done with this, you can start with example 3.
One by one. Right.